There are stories that make you pause, then there are stories that change the way you look at life forever. This one I'm about to share is one of them. Satya was barely 9 or 10 years of age. One hot afternoon, he was returning home from school when he noticed a frail elderly woman sitting under a tree near the village path. Her clothes were torn, her feet were dusty, her hands were trembling. But what caught his attention was not her condition. It was the way she was looking around, confused, lost, frightened, like someone who no longer remembered where she belonged. Most villagers walked past her. Some were in a hurry, some didn't know what to say, some didn't want to get involved, thinking they may get into trouble. But little Satya stopped. He sat down beside her, looked into her eyes and asked, "Amma, are you hungry?" She said no. After a while, when she felt a bit more comfortable around him, he asked again, "Amma, please tell me, why are you sitting here alone? Is there something you want?" The woman burst into tears. "I can't find my way home. My son left me here in the morning and said he would return. It's been so many hours. He's not come back. I don't think he's going to come. And I don't remember the path back. I am too old to remember my way home. What to do, son?" She started to cry. She clutched the end of her sari and sobbed and sobbed and sobbed like a child. What Satya did next is what makes the story so unforgettable. He wiped her tears with small hands that he had and said softly, "Amma, don't cry. I'm here. And don't forget, God is there for everyone. He doesn't leave anyone. So come with me." Helping her get up, he took her hands into his own hands and slowly helped her walk. He didn't take her to his home. He didn't call for the elders to help. Instead, he made a simple but profound choice. He held her hand, walked with her through the village lanes, house by house, asking, "Amma, is this your home?" House after house, the answer was, "No, this is not my house." Yet, he never let go of her hand, not even for a moment. He had to walk very, very slowly because she was weak. He had to pause time and again so she could breathe. Every few minutes he assured her, "Don't worry, Amma. We will find your house. God is there. He is always helping us." Villagers watched this tiny boy leading an old woman as though she was his own grandmother. No frustration, no rush, only pure patient love on his face. Finally, after nearly 3 hours, the woman recognized a small hut at the end of a narrow lane. She cried out, "That is my home." Little Satya smiled, walked her right to the doorstep, and waited until someone came out to receive her. Before leaving, he bowed to her and said, "Amma, now you rest. Your son will be back soon. Don't worry. I will come to meet you tomorrow. And if you need anything, I will get it. Now you relax and sleep." He then quietly left, expecting nothing in return. he had already got what he wanted, which was this woman's safety. Later, when the woman's son returned and learned what happened, he felt ashamed. He came searching for Satya, not to defend himself, but to apologize. He fell at this young boy's feet and said, "Why did you help my mother when I failed to? You know I had left her. I was not going to come back. I wanted to abandon her. But you have opened my eyes. If someone who had no relation with her took so much pain for her, I don't know what I was doing. What was I thinking? What was wrong with me? Why did you help her?" He kept asking Satya. Satya smiled with utter simplicity and answered, "Because she is everyone's mother. You may forget your own mother, but God never forgets his children. If it was not me, it would be someone else, but he would surely send someone to protect her. And don't forget, God's love is alive, is present in every human being. And this love will ensure that she is safe, that she is protected. And so, respect your mother, love her, value her. Otherwise, one day, your own children will unfortunately make you realize your own faults. When they don't love you and respect you, you will realize how you have disrespected your own mother. Because what your children see, they will do. What goes around, comes around. This wasn't the story of a miracle, no materialization. This was the miracle of love in action. The highest spirituality expressed through a child's heart. This little incident had awakened the power of love and generosity in every villager that day. A child choosing to spend hours walking house to house, a child choosing patience over convenience, a child reminding us that being human is not about achievement, but about how deeply we feel for each other. This little boy who walked dusty village lanes holding a forgotten mother's hand grew up into the world teacher we know as Shri Sathya Sai Baba. The same compassion that guided him as a little child expanded into a life dedicated to service, Seva. From free super specialty hospitals to universities, schools, drinking water projects, healthcare systems that charge no fees, his mission today continues to touch lakhs of lives across India and the world. What began as a child's instinct to relieve another's suffering blossomed into a global movement of service, love, and healing. A reminder that when a heart chooses compassion early, it can one day uplift humanity itself. This is not just the story of a saint, a spiritual teacher, or God. This is the story of what every human heart is capable of. Because every time you choose compassion and kindness, you too become an instrument of healing. I hope this story inspires you to do your bit, to lead a fulfilling life, staying connected with the divine power within you, spreading your love, joy, and positivity to everyone around you. Because this is what life is all about. Loving, giving, and forgiving. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste.